Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video for Rila. Today, let's discuss about the recruitment dashboard. So this is the main dashboard and from here, let's navigate to the recruitment module under which we can find the dashboard. So the recruitment dashboard provides an overview of the recruitment process and related metrics. So first we'll be able to view different cards such as we have the total vacancies which displays the total number of open job positions in the organization. Next we have the ongoing recruitments that shows the number of active recruitment processes that are currently in progress. Next we have the hired candidates which represents the number of candidates successfully hired. Then we have the conversion rate. So it shows the percentage of candidates who progress from the application to hire, and it can be calculated as the hired candidates divided by total application into 100. And then we have the offer acceptance rate, that is, it indicates the percentage of offers accepted by candidates out of all the offers made. Next, we have the skill zone status. So over here, we'll be able to find the skills that we have added in the settings, and we can also view the number of candidates that we have added to the skill zone. Next, we have the candidate offer letter status. So in this, we can view a pie chart that summarizes the status of the offer letter. So we have different colors for each status for the offer letter, such as we have the gray ones for not sent, that is the offer letters yet to be sent. Next, we have the yellow ones, which shows the offer letters sent. And next, we have the blue ones, which represents the accepted offers. Next, we have the red ones for the rejected ones, and green that shows the X7 candidates who accepted the offer and have joined the company. So this is the pie chart, and we have 24 offer letters that are yet to be sent, and then we have one offer letter which has been rejected. And then next in the candidate on board, we can get a detailed list of candidates who have been onboarded. So over here, we can view the candidate's name. Then we have the job title, in which they have been, selected for. So by clicking on view, we'll be able to view the candidates over here. So this is the candidates, and let's go back. So we'll be able to view the job position for each candidates, and next we have the joinings per month. So it shows a graph over here showing the number of employees who joined the company, and it has been segmented by month for the selected year. So we'll be able to select the year over here. And when we select the year, it will show different months, that is the different joinings in different months like this. Next, we have the current hiring pipeline. So, this is a tabular data that breaks down the recruitment pipeline for each job position. So, we can view the list of job positions over here. Then we have different status, that is initial, test, interview, hired, cancel. So, these are different stages of the hiring pipeline. So, we'll be able to view the number of candidates that are in each stage for each job position. And next we have the my onboarding task. That is, if we have added any tasks to the onboarding, we'll be able to view those tasks over here. So we can view the task name, the to do, and these are each stages of the task. So whether the stage of the task that we have created is in to do, or whether it has been scheduled, ongoing, stuck, or done. Then we have the candidates per stage. So in this bar graph over here, we'll be able to view the candidates per stage. So we have blue ones for the recruitment drive. So these are the two recruitments that are currently going on. That is the recruitment drive and future force recruitment. And the blue ones are the recruitment drive, and we have pink for future force recruitment. And we'll be able to view the number of candidates per stage like this. So we have four candidates in the initial stage, and we have none in the applied and test stage. Then we have the interview stage, in which we have five candidates. So like that, we'll be able to view the candidates per stage. So we can also view it in the line graph and also the bar graph. Next, we have the ongoing recruitments and hiring managers. So these are the two. So in this table, we'll be able to view the recruitments that are currently there, and also the managers who has been appointed for this recruitment. So we have two recruitments: recruitment drive and future force recruitment, and corresponding to that, we can view the managers of that recruitment. That is Abigail Roberts, Adam Lewis, and Aidan Murphy are the three managers of recruitment drive, and then we have Alexander Smith as the manager for future force recruitment. So, like that, we'll be able to view the ongoing recruitments and hiring managers. So, this is all about the recruitment dashboard. And also, to view more about the recruitment candidates and all, we can simply click on this. Then we'll be able to view the two ongoing recruitments like that. And we can also view the hired candidates from here. So, this is the candidates view, and we can see the filter for hired has been kept on. So, we'll be able to view the candidates who have been hired. And also, we can view the candidate offer letter status. So these are different candidates, and we have the filter offer letter status not sent. So, like that, we'll be able to view more details by going to it from the dashboard itself. So, this is all about the dashboard of recruitment in Horilla. So, hope it is clear, and thank you for watching.